What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I have a few deals for you guys this Sunday. Before I get into that, I want to thank you guys for all the support in the Facebook group. 21,200 members. For some odd reason, YouTube isn't doing that well because the condition of joining the group is to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So thousands of you are ignoring that. But I want to just say, look, when you guys see these, I'm not posting any events, okay? These are clear scams, all right? Netflix hiring, Amazon hiring. Flag this stuff when you see them. It's hard. It's rough to keep up with it. They getting sophisticated. They putting stuff in comments, and Facebook does not make it easy for me to block these people. So like what I have to do is copy and paste their names. And anyway, don't worry about it. It's kind of a bit. Oh, this was a little easier. Facebook has been acting wonky, but it's not acting wonky now on camera. But anyway, flag that stuff. And see, there was a problem blocking this user. So, okay, you see what I'm dealing with, right? So just know that they're scams, okay? And flag them. And yeah, so anyway, let's get on with the deals. Over here at Home Depot, these are not special buys of the day, but they're special buys of the week, and they end today though. You have this M12 palm nailer, and I hear it's I hear it's okay. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery charger, and it's bag $99. That's cheap though. That's cheap, even though it's that's cheap. So there you go. Moving on, we have this M12 hacksaw. Again, this is not pruning any branches because the stroke is too short. It's just over a 1/2 inch. But it's a good tool for plumbers, man. It's small and it'll cut pipe very, very, very well. And you have a 4 amp hour battery along with the high output 2.5 amp hour battery, charger, bag, and the tool itself for $159. It's not a bad deal right there. So there you go with that. We have this rigid angle grinder, $139. I wanted to look at the RPMs. I forgot to do that. But as long as it's 8,500, 9,000 RPM, that's fast. That's up there with all the other big boy Fuels, Milwaukee, DeWalt's, all that. But it's a 4.5 inch. It doesn't take 5 inch or 6 inch or 7 inch disc or anything like that. It's right at 4.5. Comes with a high output battery, 4 amp hour battery, charger. I don't see a bag, but that's what it comes with, and it's a paddle shift. Paddle shift. Am I talking cars or tools right now? Paddle switch. It has a paddle switch to turn it on and off, and it has the vents on the handles like every other American-made grinder. The Milwaukee's, the DeWalt's. I don't like that. I like the Makita where it's on the battery. I like the Bosch on the battery, and that makes more sense to me because your hand is going to cover this vent. So, it is what it is, but it's only $139. That's a great deal for that kit for a decent angle grinder, and it's brushless. Okay, so there are quite a few Makita circular saw deals going on. This is an 18 volt, $259, and you get 2 free batteries. So you add these $229, you go to the cart, and it makes this circular saw kit. It makes it $137.46. It comes with 2 5 amp hour 18 volt batteries, comes with the dual charger, the bag, and a circular saw for $137.46. You're not beating that. You're not getting that like that anywhere else. But they also have it in a 40 volt variant as well. But it's saying it's sold out. And same for the rear handle version, which is also $399. It keeps going in and out of stock, so just keep checking, okay? So that's all I can tell you. Just keep checking. And they go in and out of stock, and they end up being like $190, $180 something. They're under $200 for this kit as well, if you can catch it. But right now, the only one that's in stock at the making of this video is the 18 volt. So there you go with that. We also have, so this is in response to John. So John basically said he slept on all the deals, so he's looking for some Makita batteries and also a couple other Milwaukee tools. So, John, as for the batteries, this is what I would recommend doing. Go to I'll leave a link, but there's the Makita starter pack for $199. It's going to be 2 5 amp hour batteries, a rapid charger in the bag. And then you want to add the most expensive tool as the free gift, which is going to be this jigsaw, and it's something else that's $179. And then add them to cart, and then you get 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $104.76. And you might, if you want to grab another tool, just keep the whole thing for $199. You could do that too. But if you wanted to hack them or whatever, you could get the batteries for $104.76. That's what they'll itemize and break down to be. And you're really not getting a better deal than that on 2 5 amp hour, legitimate, genuine Makita batteries with a charger bag. That's a good deal. So that's what I would do if you just needed batteries. Moving on over to Menards. Now, keep in mind, if you want to get this stuff shipped from Menards, Menards has a shipping fee, and there's like a handling processing fee, and a lot of times it's cheaper to get stuff from Amazon. But I don't believe I've ever seen a Master Force tool on Amazon. Not that I really, now that I think about it, I've never checked. But they have this drill kit for $49.99. It's a decent drill with 535 inch-pounds, and from my testing, generally Master Force ratings are kind of on point. So this is a brushed drill, but 535 inch-pounds, 1850 RPM, which is good. And, you know, you get a battery and a charger for $49.99. It's kind of hard to ignore. 3-year warranty. And if you guys don't know, I put together a whole warranty database. All right, so if you go and look at the video, go all the way down to the bottom. And I just realized I didn't do any hashtags for this video. Wow. And go to the warranty comparison spreadsheet. You click that, and it'll bring it up for anyone to see. And I have the coverage, registration required, time to register, links to register, repair or replace, what they'll do, whether you can walk in, do you need the receipt, all this other stuff. And I have it for as many brands that I can think of. Now with Master Force, they have a pretty cool warranty. Like if you, the darker the green, the better the warranty. For the 3 years, they give you a 3-year warranty. You can just walk in. You do need your receipt, but they're going to replace it. They're not going to fix it, ship it off. Master Force, if you have an issue with your tool, you just take it back into Menards, and they'll just say, go grab a new one off the shelf, and you be on your way, which I like. Okay, so keep that in mind. $49.99. Moving on. Same for this oscillating tool. I've never tried it, but I'm curious because it says reduced vibration system provides best in class vibration. Now, I want to see it be better. I want to see something beat Milwaukee, because Milwaukee, even their M18, the M12, it has very little vibration. So I would like to find an oscillating tool that beats it. This claims it will. $89.99 for the kit. It comes with their boost battery, charger, and the tool. $89.99. So if you're near Menards, maybe check that out. Let us know how the vibration is. But next time I'm near one, I'm going to probably check it out myself. Now, Menards also, again, if you live near one, they have this Skill orbital saw kit. And I said orbital saw. I meant the jigsaw kit. But it has an orbital function. 1-inch stroke, $69.99 for the kit. And these batteries, I don't know if you guys know, these batteries will charge your cell phone or your tablet, anything like that. $69.99. You can find it also on Amazon. And it's a little more money, but if you have to have it shipped, it makes more sense to get it from Amazon. But if you live near Menards, then it makes more sense to just go into Menards and get it. Now, it's in a way. We're about to talk about these other things, this Metabo HPT hammer drill and this reciprocating saw. So reciprocating saw is also $69.99 at Menards. It's $72 at Amazon. Even if you live near Menards, I would probably just get it from Amazon because the $2 or $3 or whatever, that's gas. So I would just order it from Amazon at that price. Also still at Menards, we have this Spider bimetal hole saw kit for $39.99. It's a 13-piece with the case. You know, it's not too bad there. Now, I want to talk about this. I brought this up because I closed it out. Earlier, I had another impact driver kit available, but I really just wanted to say, for the year, there hasn't been a better impact driver kit deal than this, because look, the Metabo HPT triple hammer is a fantastic impact driver. The ergonomics are darn near perfect. The weight, the size. I mean, it's good. It's great. It's a great impact driver. Two 1.5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a case for $99 with a lifetime warranty, and it has an IP56 rating. I mean, you're not gonna find anything better. It's great. I mean, look at these reviews. 4.8 out of 5, 352. They're not lying. Like, it's great. It's great. The only thing I wish was better with it was that if it had that quick attach function like Milwaukee, where you could just insert the bit without having to pull it out. So it's definitely a two-hand working thing here. You can do it with one hand when you get good at it, but you know, it's meant to be used with two hands. That's the only gripe I have with it. And the LED could be better. You know, have the tri-LEDs around the collet, but you know, I'm nitpicking at that point. It's a great deal. There's nothing else out here that's beating that. Unless you just, you know, I have to have Milwaukee and all that other stuff, then fine. All right, moving on. I wanted to also just talk about this hammer drill. Metabo HPT hammer drill. Again, also lifetime warranty. And this is the 36 volt. Not to be confused with that 18 volt. They look exactly the same. They like the same size, everything. But they're very different. This 36 volt is literally twice as powerful as the 18 volt. This also, again, can be plugged into the wall. You don't have to just use the battery. You have to have the adapter, but you can plug it into the wall. But this thing is one of the best hammer drills for masonry. Now, honestly, why are you using this for masonry? Like, get a rotary hammer drill. But if you need to just do like a few holes in brick or something, this is a good drill. It's very smooth. There's no wrist jerking torque. It's smooth. It's not that loud. It's just a great tool, you guys. Lifetime warranty. I like it. I just wanted to show it to you. For $142, that's a great price. You know, really, it really is a great price for a really high-end, high-quality hammer drill. All right, moving on. Yeah, I already told you to get all that stuff from Amazon if you got to have it shipped, because the little shipping fees and all that with Menards is just absurd. And shoot, that's it. That's it for today's video, you guys. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you again for all your support. I forgot to mention we hit 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. And again, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.